everyone, welcome back to my channel NEET MDS Preparation. Now if you're aiming for high scores in NEET MDS, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. Here I have compiled 10 high yielding MCQs from oral pathology that keeps repeating directly or twistedly. So grab a pen, stay till the end and let's boost your rank starting today. So now moving with MCQs. The first MCQ is, all of the following are true for ameloblastoma except. Now, if we'll focus on the image given here, we can see that it has occurred in posterior mandibular. It is radiolucent with honeycomb appearance and it seems as locally aggressive. So if we will use the rule out matter, we can easily answer that the correct answer is C. Ameloblastoma typically affects adults between 20 to 40 years and is very rare in children. Now moving to next question, the most common site for oral squamous cell carcinoma. The correct answer is tongue, and that also the lateral part of the tongue, especially in smokers and tobacco chewers. MCQ number 3. The ghost cells are characteristic features of which of the following? The correct answer is B. Calcifying odontogenic cyst. What are ghost cells now? The ghost cells are eosinophilic non-nucleated epithelial cells seen in these lesions. It may show calcifications and is rare, but it is important for NEET MDS. Now question number 4. Onion skin appearance on radiograph is seen in which of the following? The correct answer for this is B. The laminated periosteal reactions creates the onion skin effects. This is common in patients. Rapid growth is there, may mimic infection. Now moving to MCQ number 5. The sunburst appearance radiographically is seen in which of the following? The correct answer here is osteosarcoma. Now as we can see in the diagram given here, the radiating spectacle of the bone from the cortex gives us sunburst appearance. It is highly aggressive and painful swelling in bones and jaw. MCQ number 6. Which of the following is a pre-malignant lesion? So all of them are pre-malignant lesion: lichen planus, oral submucous fibrosis and leukoplakia. But over here, the OSMF has the highest malignant transformation rate among them. MCQ number 7. Which cyst is associated with unerupted tooth and attaches to CEJ? The correct answer is dentigerous cyst. It is most commonly seen around the crown of the impacted teeth, especially third molar. MCQ number 8. Which condition is commonly associated with multiple odontogenic keratocysts? The correct answer is B. This is a nevoid basal cell carcinoma syndrome, and the associating findings with this is OKCs, bifid ribs, basal cell carcinoma, intracranial calcifications. MCQ number 9. Starry sky appearance histologically is seen in Burkitt lymphoma. And this starry sky appearance is due to the tangible body macrophages among darkly staining lymphocytes. This is especially seen in endemic jaw forms in African children. Now MCQ number 10. Which of the cysts has the highest recurrence rate? The answer is OKCs, and the high recurrence rate is due to the daughter cyst and the satellite cells present in that. And there you have it, 10 NEET MDS most repeated questions from oral pathology. Tell me in the comment sections how many did you get right, and don't forget you can download our full 50 question mock test for just ₹49.